Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to do tax in Excel. First, set up your workbook by creating distinct sheets for income and expenses. Label columns clearly for details like dates, descriptions, and amounts. This organized approach helps you track every financial transaction efficiently. Consistent formatting for currency and percentages ensures accuracy and readability throughout your tax preparation process, making it much simpler to review. Next, let's focus on recording your income. Input all earnings from various sources, including W-2s and Form 1099, into your designated income sheet. Categorizing these income types, such as wages or freelance earnings, simplifies analysis later. Utilize Excel's SUM function to quickly calculate your total gross income, providing a clear overview of your financial inflows for the period. Now let's tackle expenses. Document all your deductible expenditures, such as home office costs, business mileage, or professional development fees. Grouping similar expenses like office supplies or travel helps streamline your record keeping. Use Excel to calculate your total expenses, which is crucial for identifying potential deductions and reducing your taxable income effectively. This step is vital for maximizing your tax savings. Finally, it's time for calculations and review. Subtract your total expenses from your total income to determine your taxable income. Carefully review all entries for accuracy and completeness, ensuring no detail is missed. This thorough check helps prevent errors. Once verified, your organized Excel data is ready for seamless transfer to your preferred tax software or directly onto official tax forms, simplifying your filing process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.